my. It's the done. I still got a lot of shit to learn, I'll admit.
Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to our channel French with Eri. Today we will learn how to conjugate the verb être in French. Être, which means to be. It is a very important verb in French. So starting with the first one, je suis. Je suis, which means I am. Second, tu es, which means you are. Third, il est, which means he is. Elle est, which means she is. On est, which means one is. Next, nous sommes. Nous sommes, which means we are. Next, vous êtes. Vous êtes, which means you are. Vous is used in a formal way and tu is used in an informal way. Next, ils sont, which means they are. Elles sont, which means they are. Elle is used with masculine and elle is used with feminine. It is very simple. Let's take an example. If I want to say I am a singer, je suis chanteur. What? Je suis, then the profession. I am a singer. It is very simple. Let's revise it again. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. That's all. This is all for today. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Merci et à bientôt.
Money, I